In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to apply for the Wells Fargo Active Cash credit card. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go into creditcards.wellsfargo.com. From here it should bring you something like this. And here you'll need to scroll down until you see under all credit cards, and then the first one should be Active Cash Card. From here you can click apply now, or I can read a little more about the credit card if you need to do that. From here you'll need to click apply now, but then an application page will pop up from Wells Fargo where I can see that lets you start your application. Here you can click if you want to sign in for a pre-fill of your application, meaning that you won't need to enter all of these information down here that we are going to go over just in a few seconds. If you're not willing to log in, you'll need to click about you, and you'll need to enter your first name, middle name, last name, suffix, SSN number, or ITIN number. You'll also need to enter your date of birth down here. From here, you'll need to go down to contact information, where you'll need to enter your home address so Wells Fargo can send you your credit card once you get applied. From here, you'll need to click what citizen you are in, whether or not you're a US citizen, a resident alien, or a non-resident alien. You'll also need to enter your mobile phone number and your email address so Wells Fargo have a better way to contact you. Down here you'll need to enter your security information, and here you'll need to enter your mother's maiden name. From here you'll need to go down to financial information, where you need to enter your housing status, whether if you own your home, you rent your home, or other. Down here you'll also need to enter whether or not you're employed, self-employed, not employed, or retired. Down here you'll also need to enter your total annual income for the past 12 months. Down here you can see there's something called non-taxable income, and if you have non-taxable income you'll simply need to click this off and then write in your non-taxable annual income right here. Down here you'll see the card options, and here you'll see the authorized users, where you can select several people to be authorized to use the specific credit card. And as you can see, you can put one extra in for Wells Fargo, but when you're done you'll simply need to into the terms and conditions. Here you'll need to read about the conditions for this specific credit card and need to read the certifications. Down here you'll need to click I have read and agree the certifications, and then from here you'll need to click submit for the credit card. Once you've done that, you will get a mail that Wells Fargo have received your application and they will review it. And in a couple days, they'll come back to you whether or not you have been approved for the Wells Fargo Active Cash credit card. And that's how you do it. If you have no questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!